This is a video on how to make a quick chart in Google Sheets. So here's an overview tab where we have identified school and teacher and the performance levels of the students. We want to make a very quick visual of this. So I'm going to highlight my information. I'm going to go insert chart. You can see that it automatically defaults to a column chart, but there's lots of different charts that you can choose from and play around with. I'm going to choose the stacked bar chart, which is this one right here. Do you notice it's got these weird teacher A, B, C, and whatever in it? And I really just need to know it by school. So if I go down here, I can, on the Y axis, I can take teacher away. And so now I just have it by school. Then I notice, you know what, these colors are off. Like these aren't our usual colors for does not meet. So I can go here to series. I'm in customize, series, does not meet, and I can change my colors. I want this one to be a red. I want this one to be the orange. I want this one to be the green. And I want this one to be the blue. Now I've got them sort of matching our color scheme that we normally do. That's how you make a chart. You can, everything's editable. You can add a title in customize under chart axis and titles, performance levels, by campus, however you want to say that. You can label pretty much everything on it and make it customize. You can customize it to be what you want it to be.